Hi! This is Bern from Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours. Gusto mo ba ng extra income? At kung oo, para sa'yo ang video na to. Panoorin lang ang video na to mula umpisa hanggang dulo para malaman mo kung paano ba kumita sa Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours. You can visit our page at Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours in Facebook. Meron siyang 18,000 likes and 22,000 followers. Ayan, we offer different kind of tour packages with lower price but quality service. We also have van transfer, and take note, we have passenger insurance para siguradong safe ang ating mga guests. And now, Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours has a monetary reward or yung referral program na tinatawag namin. Dito, pwede kayong kumita. So, paano ba siya? Introducing our exciting referral program, your opportunity to earn rewards while sharing the love with friends and family. So, this is the promo mechanics. Pwede nyo itong ma-visit sa aming Facebook page para mas mabasa ninyo ng mabuti. And then, you can inquire din sa Facebook page namin for more details. Ayan, you need to like and share our Facebook page, spread the word about our exceptional product, services, and refer someone you know. Dapat makapag-refer kayo sa amin ng guest, at kapag nag-book sila sa amin, meron kayong makukuha na monetary reward. Meaning, pera po talaga yung ibibigay namin. So, ayan, may referral program tayo. So, visit Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours. Bye!